The best way to support latecomers or newcomers to the Welsh language, well, we're talking about late immersion here then. And the classroom pedagogy is actually very similar for early immersion and late immersion. Everything we've described about effective teaching earlier on is relevant to both. However, there are some aspects that are different, and we say very clearly in this report that late immersion works best when it's delivered in an intense and structured manner, usually in a Welsh language centre. Where latecomers don't have access to a language immersion centre, provision that's planned for them varies, even within individual local authorities. And while we do recognise that some effective practice in supporting latecomers is available outside of immersion centres, generally, provision outside of immersion centres does not support learners effectively enough, as they're not immersed in the Welsh language to the same extent and with the same level of support.